Thanks, sir. Thank you. With your help. Yes.
Come back and listen for what your time is. Okay, then from here we just go to you can see at the point, if you recall, when we were coming here, there was a very large rock outcrop. It's gone. What we have is a lining of concrete, like the streets. Yes. It's concrete anymore. Yes, it's not block, it's concrete anymore. It has to retain so that to prevent rock falls. Now the true meaning of what this interchange all along would have really come out. We are grateful. This villa and the road has been surfaced right to the pilot gate just by use by road. There are no fewer than about 80 any idea of how many prosper interchange we may have? About 6. 4 loops and some widened islands. And there are several. Can you send it to me? That one and unfortunately, we didn't know. We asked them to talk. So
when I the rush go, I record my own. Yes.
Well done, eh? Yeah, I'm coming.
From millennium side is 35%, only millennium side.
Yeah, well, you don't have to go. In fact, we say after the opening of this, we encourage that people should even be coming so they don't cluster the city.
This is the image of Abuja, this project, B6 and B12. Whoever is going and coming from the airport have to pass through. Yes,
allow for going up. The road and the light, so we are the reply that they are working. They have linked us with their technical, but this is good. So we didn't want to just make it.
You should tell me sort of thing.
When did you can you tell me that? Yes, no, it's under the I was talking about
on my list one of the legal no, Latin no.
I would have been forced to my policy.
Ça c'est bon. Le copier clair.
The road is 7 meters. And we put our point inside the
You did Chris. Ask me one foolish question.
What's the better one?
You don't go ahead now.
carry your comment, you know the year word. Close your LCD now.
I know you won't allow me to shoot.
Why?
I don't know.
What do you want?
In some of these projects, but we can always see there is improvement. What is your assessment of these projects?
Well, like you know, this is the final inspection we're doing as regards their preparedness for the inauguration of the various projects. By the approval of Mr. President, we believe that from 27th of this month, the various projects, and particularly on 27th, we believe the President will flag off the commercial operation of the metro line. We believe on Monday we'll do the final inspection of that. From what we have seen, I think we're good to go. We're ready for the commissioning from 27th of May, and it will be ending on the 6th of June. The only day we will not have any activity will be on the 29th, which of course is the 1 year in office of President, and we have a lot of activities that day. And 29th and 31st. 31st is a Sunday, so we will not have any activity, but 28, 27, 28, 30, 1st, 2nd, 3rd, 4th, 5th, and 6th we will have projects that Mr. President will be inaugurated. So it's like 9 days activities, event. So we're happy, and the contractors are meeting up. All the promises made, they have fulfilled, and we have also fulfilled our own part by making sure that we have cash backed up, and none of them is complaining in terms of cash, no. So we're very happy.
Okay, Minister, sir, I know the focus here is the inspection of the project, but beyond that, we know that the street lights are still, some of the areas in the FCT are still experiencing blackouts in terms of street lights.
Yeah.
And I know you mentioned one time that it's undergoing repairs. What's the status of the street lights?
Well, as I speak to you, most of it has come back. They are working on it. And you also know that most of the projects we're doing, you don't expect the lights to be on now. All they are doing, they are test running it. So sometimes most of the streets you are talking about are those that are being worked on. We believe, by the grace of God, we believe that before the commissioning date, you will see most of the lights will be on. So we can tell you that with good authority.
Honorable Minister, under this period, how many projects are you going to inaugurate?
Well, because we don't want to saddle government every day. We have a lot of projects, you know, the access routes to all the stations are there. We're not talking about that. We're also going to flag off new projects, like the construction of the new Court of Appeal division. The bus terminals will also flag them off within this period. So many projects, I can't stand before you and say this is the total number of projects that will be commissioned and the one that will be flagged off. So many, I can assure you. But what's important is that the President has given us 27th to 6th of June. We'll call it FCT week of commissioning of projects. Yeah.
Sir, we want to congratulate you for achieving this feat in just 9 months in office. Sir, with what we have seen in VP House, are we sure and optimistic that the project will be ready?
Of course, you can see that by Monday they will start asphalting the driveways. They already started furnishing. So I think the date for the inauguration is like 6th of June. But I can't really, but I know. So, but they'll be ready.
One is distracted because of the development in your home state.
How would you respond?
I'm not distracted. If I'm distracted, you won't see this performance here. I focus on my work, so I'm not interested. I'm the Minister of FCT. The works are going on, so why would I be distracted? If you are distracted, how would this job be going? So I don't even think about it at all. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Your Excellency, last week this bridge, and we were talking about this portion of work of 750 meters. We managed to do in less than 10 days 4,500 tons macadam and remain 2 days of binder. And by Sunday I will remove the crash barrier and
What we are doing here is improving this as well as slip road also. Yes. No, not from where we have them yet. So this is it. What we have. Yes. Victor.